Hello everyone, this is Mahesh Reddy and I am going to tell something about global warming. These are the contents, definition and what are all the greenhouse gases and what is greenhouse effect, issues, consequences and how to control. What is global warming? Many of the researchers are saying that global warming is mainly defined as temperatures are rising because of we are dramatically increasing the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere by burning fossil fuels like coal, gas, oil, and by clearing the forest. What are all the greenhouse gases? The main greenhouse gases are carbon dioxide, methane, and the form of carbon molecules, that is carbon monoxide, and water vapor. What is the effect of greenhouse gas? A greenhouse gas, it's mainly increasing the Earth atmosphere, and in entire atmosphere we have the greenhouse gases ranging only from 1%, and remaining the gases oxygen and nitrogen are present in 99%. But this 1%, if it increases from this level, then it causes a greenhouse effect. What is a greenhouse effect? Greenhouse effect is mainly increasing the Earth atmosphere. Generally, the temperature on the Earth is depends on the heat coming out from the sun. The heat coming out from the sun is the heat is a form of energy, and some of the energy is reflected by the clouds, and some is reflected by ice, and the remaining heat is coming directly to the Earth. The amount of solar energy is absorbed by Earth is equal to the amount radiated by the ionosphere, radiated back into the space. The Earth remains a constant temperature. If the amount of the energy reflecting is very less and by the clouds and ice, then it causes increasing the Earth heat. What are all the issues? These are the main issues causes increasing the Earth atmosphere. Industrialization is nowadays it's a big issue around the world, that from the industries we have the releasing of carbon content is very high. To reduce this, we need to control the industries, the carbon content coming out from the industries, fossil fuels, by burning the fuels to get the energy, and power plants. One of the main thing is we need to control the usage of power, and the areas where water is not available more, there we are going to use this power plants made with coal. And agribusiness is something related to the biodegradable particles, biodegradable fuels, and deforestation is removing the forest for the use for day-to-day requirements. What are the consequences of global warming? These are the main consequences given here. Hurricanes will increase due to the more rising temperature. Hurricanes will increase on the atmospheric level itself, and rise in ocean levels. If that atmospheric temperature or Earth atmosphere temperature is very high, then it leads to rise in ocean level. It causes increasing the causes melting the ice, and this level causes the increasing the ocean level. And heat waves, droughts, and wildfire will be more frequent due to increasing the global warming. And how to control global warming? Reduce the consumption of fossil fuels, that is reduce the deforestation. It means the main thing is to reduce the usage of paper, and reduce fuels which are using for cooking purpose. Use alternative resources. The alternative resources which are like water and solar energy. The main constraint here is solar energy, which is available for free, and if we go with solar energy, then we can reduce the amount of carbon content emitting from the day-to-day purposes. And 3R, we very well know that reduce, reuse and recycle. It means that use the eco-friendly products and avoid the usage of plastic. The plastic content usage of plastic causes is also one of the major issue, and instead of this use the paper or cloth bags, and turn off the electronic devices also producing more heat and consumes electricity. So whenever there is no use with the device, then please by turning off the device we can control the amount of usage power, and we can control and we can make the device to work a longer life than our life. Then if we didn't control the usage, control the global atmospheric level, so one of the major issues are rising in sea level. As per the researchers, if we didn't control the global warming, by 2050 there is a rise in sea level by 20 feet. It leads to the immersion of coastal areas. And thank you. This is the quote which I want to say, that each of us must take steps to protect our earth climate. Thank you.